Meaning of heart-rending.
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 Heart-rending. Heart-rending refers to something that is intensely distressing or emotionally painful. It is used to describe situations or events that cause great sorrow or anguish, often related to personal loss or tragedy. The term can be applied to a range of experiences, including the death of a loved one, a devastating natural disaster, or a heart-wrenching breakup. The feelings of heartbreak and despair associated with heart-rending experiences are often profound and long-lasting, leaving a lasting impact on those affected. Overall, heart-rending describes a deeply emotional and gut-wrenching experience that can bring tears to one's eyes.